Welcome to our quick guide on steaming milk with the Micra. If you're new to this machine, you might be surprised by how powerful the steam wand is. It can heat up a small pitcher of milk in just seconds. Let's dive into how you can achieve two delicious styles of milk froth: thick dense foam and creamy microfoam. Before you start, make sure to clean your steam wand with a wet rag. Always purge the wand before and after use to ensure it's ready for action and to avoid any milk residue buildup. Fill the pitcher about halfway with your preferred milk and submerge the steam tip below the surface of the milk. Use your other hand to turn the steam knob. Rotating this knob opens the valve further to allow steaming to begin. Keep an eye on where the steam tip sits in the milk. The closer the tip of the wand is to the surface of the milk, the more air will be added in. For a creamy microfoam, position the steam wand tip just below the surface of the milk. Turn on the steam and slowly incorporate air into the milk. For a thick, dense foam, keep the tip of the wand submerged about midpoint below the surface of the milk. Keep it slightly submerged as the milk begins to expand, and rotate the steam knob to close once you reach the desired thickness and temperature. In both cases, aim for a gentle control sound, like paper ripping, not spluttering. Try making both styles of milk and taste them to see which you prefer. With practice, you'll master the art of milk frothing and become a seasoned barista in no time. Thanks for watching and happy steaming!